So only one yes I got. Okay. So today we'll start with the next topic. See, if any of your friends asks you to admit them, you let me know here in the chat box, okay? So we'll start with Ratan Virje is presenting something. Ratan, answers you are showing. Ratan Virje.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you trying to present?
No, ma'am.
Presentation से निकालो. Stop presenting you do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Stop presenting नहीं हो रहा, मैम.
ठीक है ले, ठीक है. हाँ, I'll see. अगर मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाई तो रतन तेरे को पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. हाँ. Okay. Anyways, चलो. Okay. So we had seen with the Boolean function yesterday. Okay. So Boolean function can be expressed, okay, algebraically from a given truth table by forming or with the help of either mean term, which means sum of products, right? So this mean term means mean term for each combination of the variables that produces a 1 in the function, right? And then taking the AND of all those terms, okay? Taking AND, okay? It means sum of products, right? This is your mean term. Right? Max term, we'll see it later when we go for it. So, talking about canonical forms, okay, there are two canonical forms. One is SOP, one is POS, right? SOP is your mean term, POS is your max term, okay? So, a canonical mean term form means what? Mean terms are the product terms where all the variables appear once in complemented or uncomplemented form. Okay? So such variables in the complemented or uncomplemented form are called as literals. Okay? Now see, what does this first statement say? Mean terms are product of terms where all the variables appear once. Okay, this is important. Okay, all the variables. 1 minute. Okay, mean term means all the variables appear once. Okay, now see, for example, I have a function of 3 variables f of a, b and c. Okay, so the mean terms appearing here can be a bar, b, c, okay, or it can be a, b, c bar, or it can be a bar, b bar, c, or it can be a bar, b bar, c bar. ठीक है? Understood? Is this clear?
Ma'am, please repeat it again, ma'am.
See, canonical. One minute, huh? Stop sharing. See, canonical mean term form means if you have a function of say two variables, okay, x and y here. So your expression, mean term expression should have both the variables either in the complemented form or uncomplemented form. So wx or x bar w or w bar x or w bar x bar, this is your mean term. अगर individual appear हुआ only x bar or only w, these are not called as your mean terms. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, what I took the example is for a three variable a, b, c. Okay, so for a three variable function, the canonical mean terms can be a, b, c, else a bar, b bar, c bar, or uh, a, b bar, c. Okay, but all three variables should appear either in the complemented form or uncomplemented form, but three variable have to be there. ठीक है, I cannot write a b as a mean term for a function of three variable, ठीक है, or a bar or b bar. I cannot write this. All the three variables should be appearing either in the complemented or uncomplemented form. Understood now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Anyone else is having any doubt? Any no doubts with this? All are here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है? You all can see the screen? Okay, right? So this is what is written here. This sentence is understood, everyone? Mean terms are the product terms wherein all the variables appear once, either in complemented or uncomplemented form. Right? Now, such variables in the complemented or uncomplemented form are called as literals. Okay, these are called as literals. Okay, right with this? Okay, so on this, right, you can note this down. Write the canonical mean term Boolean expression for the function represented in the truth table. You can note down this. Noted down the numerical. Noted down. See now, screen is visible.
No, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
yeah, yes. Take down this. Done? Okay, right? You all have taken down it. So we'll proceed now. See the numerical, what you are asked to do is you are supposed to write the canonical mean term expression. Okay. Now see, it is mean term. It means what? You are supposed to write sum of products. You are supposed to express as a sum of products. Okay. So you are supposed to write expression for f of A, B, C in sum of products form. Okay. So how to proceed? See, the function whichever is giving 1. Okay. See, this function is giving you 1. This function is giving you 1. And see, this function is giving you 1. Okay. Correct? So your f of ABC, it is not visible here, right? Just a minute. Huh? Okay. So your f of ABC becomes A bar B bar C. Okay. Because this is having 1. Then you have A B bar. Oh, it's C bar. Just a minute. Huh? you have this AB bar C bar, and you have AB C bar giving you 1. Okay, so this becomes your canonical mean term Boolean expression. Is that clear? Is this understood, everyone? Okay, you all are noting down this your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll proceed with for the next one. All have completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, write the canonical mean term expression for this. Write the canonical mean term expression for this. So first what you have to do? You have to write the term for this. Okay. So it is what? 0, 0. So it means you will have,
X bar Y bar.
yes, you will have X bar Y bar here. Okay, this would be X bar Y bar. This would be X bar Y. Then you have X Y bar. Then you have X Y. Okay, so you get this. All are doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so last work is to write the expression f1 of xy, which would be Abhay, Abhay, have you written? Abhay, you have written? Okay, Abhay, mute yourself. Okay. Adarsh? Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am. I have written. Turn
Who is
I have
this?
written.
Who is this? Rutvika? Adarsh?
Ma'am, X bar Y plus XY.
XY, no, see here, 1 is for X bar Y bar and X bar Y.
Oh, okay, sir. I have written wrong here.
Okay, ठीक है. So your expression would be f1 of xy equals to x bar y bar plus x bar y.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो, we'll go for the next one. Take down this. This is f of 2, huh? This is f of 2. Take down this and try solving.
Ma'am, answer is x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y bar z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z plus x y z.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Anyone need explanation for this? Is this to be explained? Is this to be explained? You can unmute and answer. Is this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done this.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
You are getting the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Getting.
Okay. So we'll share
Thank
the
you.
answer, right? So your first work is what? Your first work is to write the term, right? So first one you get x bar, y bar, z bar. Okay. Then you get x bar, y bar, z. Then you get x bar, y, z bar. X bar, y, z. X, y bar, z bar. X, y bar, z. Then you have x, y, z bar. And you have x, y, z. Okay? So your equation F2 equation for F2 of x, y, z becomes whichever min term is having one combination of output of 1. Okay, so you have x bar, y bar, z bar as Kirti told. Okay, that answer was correct. Who all have tallied well and good. Others, you please tally. You get x bar, y bar, z plus x bar, y, z bar plus x, y bar, z plus x, y, z. Okay? All have tallied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shubham,
Yes, ma'am.
you tally your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shraddha, you are tallying? Shraddha?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that F2 how you get?
F2 matlab this here above you see this is a function given F2. F2 output. See XYZ is your input, F2 is output. So F2 of this XYZ. F2 of XYZ.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
See this whole truth table is given. ये पूरा truth table दिया है इन्होंने. Numerical has given X, Y, Z and F2. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rajat. रजत गांवकर.
Yes, miss.
हाँ. Tally हुआ आंसर आपका?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. Any doubts?
Got it. No, miss.
Okay. Shiraz Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
You could tell your answer.
Yes, ma'am. I got.
Okay.
Got
No
it.
doubts up till here.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Right then. So we'll finish it up here for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Good. Yes, tell.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Yeah,
Happy
thank you.
Teachers Day, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Yes, thank you for the wishes. And Janvi is attending. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. Right, we all will quit now. I'll give you the numericals. Please do it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Janvi? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
You joined now?
Yes, ma'am.
What time was the class, Janvi? Janvi? Okay, you all can quit. Janvi, you are quite late for the class. See which is the third hour and join for that class.